This class can offer you a lot of benefits, whether you want to prepare for a job right out of school, right at high school, or actually pursue a post-secondary high school career into college or junior college or trade school. But most of all, when you come in, it's going to be fun. We're going to get our hands dirty. We're going to do things that you've never done in any other class, which is actually talk about something in the textbook and go experience it firsthand in the lab. So currently we have a 2-course pathway. We call it Introduction to Welding, and then we have an advanced course. In addition to that, to being a program completer, they get A through G credit for college, and we're also articulated with IVC, and they can also earn 5 college credits. Students will have an opportunity, besides learning how to weld, to work with hand tools. And they can use power tools such as grinders. They also use chop saw. They can use a bandsaw. And all of these tools can be used to shape or form metals or cut to size. There's various measuring tools that they can use, tape measures, there's marking tools. So there's a bunch of essential tools and accessories that they can use to do the job. And welding would be 10% of a job that they would do. If you want to come into my class and learn about welding, don't be afraid to read, don't be afraid to write, and don't be afraid to learn about math. Even though we're going to do that, it's not everything that we do. You're going to be able to do all that stuff while getting your hands dirty, doing projects, and that's going to be embedded to what you already do. Without even knowing, you're going to learn a lot of stuff about history, geography, physics, math, science, everything. And while you do that, you're going to learn how to weld. And it's something that you're always going to remember for the rest of your life.
This video is made possible by funding from the Strong Workforce Program and the Imperial County Office of Education, where we empower our community to be an ideal place to live, learn, and work.